Welcome to Asking for a Trend. Tesla enjoying a healthy run over the last couple days as the markets brace for a second term from Donald Trump. Earlier, we spoke to Cathie Wood about what else is on the horizon for Tesla.
It's a completely different model. And what's been interesting is Waymo, Alphabet's Waymo, has it has proof of concept. Autonomous is not about tomorrow; it's here, and we're very excited to see how Tesla is going to go to market.
Joining us now is Wedbush Securities Managing Director and Senior Analyst Dan Ives. Dan, always good to see you, have you on the show. Let's start there. Dan, with Tesla, Cathie Wood, she is a believer. She invests in Elon Musk companies. You look at the move Tesla has made, Dan, 30% over the past month. What is driving that, in your opinion?
It's a new era with Trump, because ultimately, if you look now, autonomous is going to get fast-tracked, in our opinion, and that is significant because of Tesla and the AI future. I believe that's worth $1 trillion alone in terms of that AI piece to Tesla. And that's why, for Musk, the bet on Trump, it's a poker move for the ages.
It was a big bet, and listen, it was the right bet for Musk. I get the autonomy piece, but next year, Dan, would it be your bullishness based on you see accelerating delivery growth?
Well, I think three things. One, the first thing Trump's going to do is he's going to basically take away EV, tax credit. So that's negative for the industry, for the Detroit Three, of course, GM, Ford. Bullish for Tesla because it gives they have a price and a scale and a scope advantage significant. Okay. Two, I believe the autonomous AI vision, Cybercab, this could get accelerated by years. By the end of next year, we could be talking Cybercab. As we actually start to see. And I think this accelerates that strategy. And I think the third thing is a lot of the broader regulatory issues that have been an overhang on Tesla. I think that essentially now goes away. I mean, they'll still be there, but Musk is going to be a whisperer in the White House, and that is something the market's factoring in, a Trump win, a red sweep.
Let me ask you, Dan, I'll ask you the same question we had for Cathie Wood, which is perhaps Musk's role in this new Trump administration, with maybe a government efficiency group, Dan, and Cathie Wood sounded very bullish on that. She liked the idea of Musk playing an active role there. As a financial analyst, though, Dan, do you like that idea, or would you be concerned that would be distracting for Musk? A guy who already has a lot on his plate.
Yeah, I think, look, Josh, is there a distraction? Of course, but I think there's a comfort for tech investors, I think just in terms of the overall industry on Wall Street, that you have someone like Musk being a sort of whisper for Trump around China tariffs, around AI. I think there's going to be significant AI investments within the U.S., and that's bullish just for overall tech. And I think that's playing an important role here. It's also why NVIDIA's up despite some of the worries about tariffs and everything else. And I think there'll be carve-outs for tariffs when it comes to Tesla, when it comes to Apple. This is a Goldilocks scenario for any tech investor going into the weekend.